Hello, my name is Tatiana Paola Polo Ferrer. I am a student in UNA. I am studying the degree in English as a foreign language. Today, we are going to analyze the main characteristics of three phonetic symbols of consonant. The symbols that we are going to analyze are the following: f, sh, b. It is an interdental sound that is articulate between the front teeth and the teeth of the tongue, like towards the upper from the teeth in a very strong way. This is a fricative sound, that is to say that the strong sound of the tongue produces a friction and the turbulence. It is also a voiceless sound that is lack vibration. This is our example: think, team, something, and nothing. The sound sh, it is an alveolar sound, that is to say that the tip of the tongue is begin the alveolus, the tongue approaches the palatal, and this is how the sound is articulate. This is a fricative sound, that is to say that the air is partially blocked as a result of this partial obstruction. Turbulence is produced, and that is where the sound comes to life. It is also voiceless sound, that is to say that it is a sound without vibrate. For example, shark, she, smart. The sound ba. It is a bilabial sound, that is to say that the lid touches a momentary and close. The air passage blocking the air. The sound is stopped because the air is blocked and come up in a forced way. Also, the sound is voiced, that is to say that it is a vibrate sound. The vibration begins at the vocal cord, and it also feels between the lips. For example, bat, baby, bill. Thank you for your attention.